Hello guys, welcome to the video of HealthSpot. Many people use castor oil for hair growth. It is widely used to manage hair fall and combat hair damage. When used regularly, it can add shine to your hair. There is real evidence that it may also improve hair growth, combat dandruff, moisturize hair, and manage infections of the scalp. How does castor oil work? This vegetable oil is cold-pressed and extracted from castor beans. It is a pale yellow, sticky, and non-volatile oil that has been used for ages. By boosting hair growth and reducing hair fall, castor oil may aid in the prevention of baldness and encourage hair regrowth. How to use castor oil for hair growth? Castor oil can be used in various ways to promote hair growth. While some massage it on the scalp and leave it on for 2 to 3 hours before washing it away, others leave the oil on overnight. You can choose the method that is comfortable for you. You cannot use castor oil daily, as castor oil is a type of heavy oil. It is recommended to apply it once a week to keep your tresses from looking greasy. Some real evidence suggests that castor oil can help treat hair loss and even stimulate hair regrowth. Since it is thick and heavy, you can pair it up with another oil to dilute it. Castor oil also has a weird smell that may not go well with everyone. Pairing it with other oils, like almond oil, can help solve this issue. This potion is a combination of 4 oils: coconut, sweet almond, sesame, and castor. While you can add or remove oils depending on availability and preference, using all 4 oils together can give you the most effective results. What you need: 2 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Directions: mix the 4 oils and massage the mixture into your scalp, from the root to the tip. You could slightly warm the oil mixture for quicker penetration. Keep the mixture on for about 60 minutes. You could also leave it on overnight. Shampoo your hair and wash the oil mixture off.
Thanks for watching. Please take a moment to click the thumbs up button and share this information with your family and friends. Consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. Stay healthy.